Okay, super quick and easy. This one, you're going to want to use the included sandpaper more than likely to sand this surface because it's very difficult to keep the smoke from staining the surface. So a little bit of sanding might be necessary. I did that on this side. What you'll then do is take this base and very gently kind of move it back and forth to get the wood to be a little bit more supple. Don't be too rough on it. This is my bad side, so I'm going to put this on the inside. And really all that you need to do here is I'm going to put some super glue on the edge and then just go ahead and have them meet. So that's what I'm going to do here. I better pause this. So I'm having to bend this in like this gently and hold this until it dries. It's kind of a two-handed job because you want to make sure that that glue is really dry before we let go, or else it's just going to spring back. So I'm going to continue to hold this until I'm really sure it's dry. Okay, it's dry. And it's a little bit of a lozenge shape because of needing to hold it in place, but it's no big deal. We're just going to take that super glue, we're going to put it along the edge of the bottom or the top, I guess, whichever one you want to call it, and just go ahead and adhere that right on the circle. And when that is dry, you're good to go. Thank you so much.